Well, welcome. It's John Van Leenen here, Team JVL, New Zealand Sotheby's International Realty, and here we have a property for you, a country property, number 12 Whitehorse Drive. Look behind me. It's absolutely country splendor, but with 20-car garage workshop. Now, I hope you heard that because that's rare. It's right on the doorstep of Palmerston North. It's a country cul-de-sac, 3 paddocks, and a sizable executive home of 5 to 7 bedrooms if you choose it. It certainly has the workshop as we've talked about, and an ex-cattery in fact. But bathrooms, superb, lifestyle superb, sun superb, and a circular driveway. Well, I'm saying it all, but the pictures will tell you 1,000 words. So have a look at those images across the screen and we'll love to show you through. Well, here's a home that's littered with features, clearly with big living spaces and massive views across all of the paddocks and across the country that surrounds. The property is sheltered and the property is sunny. But the floor plan's quite clever and presents a variety of options for pending buyers. Most people looking for a sizable 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home find them hard to find. Here we have it, plus some extra space upstairs, and of course with the 20-car garage workshop, the combination of family home and workshop sits nicely with the style and type of property. There is a personalised gym that we think will attract a lot of people, but more importantly, as we walk through this property, we get nice living rooms, nice space, we have a conservatory, we have a spa room. The current owners have a sizable cattery and have been New Zealand champions in the past, and the facility is perfect for that style and type, but can easily be converted in so many different ways for hobbyists. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the viewing of number 12 Whitehorse Drive, just on the outskirts of Palmerston North. 461 square metres of home and 270 square metres of 20-car garage workshop. Quite rare for us to show that in the Manawatu. So tenders close on the 25th of February 2020 or earlier by mutual agreement. There's cattle yards here for those farmers that just want to make the move to the city but don't want to have just a section, and certainly for those that love horses or any kind of livestock. This is productive country, it's nice country, and it's as good as you get. So it's over and out from Team JVL. See you at the tender.